Control user access. Control user access is the process of managing and regulating who can access the system within an organization. You can set user control access from Administration module. Go to Administration, select Control User Access. You can view list of companies available to this organization. In this section, you can view list of all users. In this section, you can view who are the users allowed to this company. If you want to add any user to this company, you can drag and drop from list of all users. If you want to remove access for this company, by clicking this red color button, you can remove that user. By clicking permission, you can set permission to this user. System will display access options. You can view available modules in the system. By checking or unchecking, you can allow the user access options. If you uncheck this option, this user cannot access this option. If you select all, system will fill all options. If you click deselect all, system will revoke access options. In addition to that, when you enter customer invoices, you can view the invoice profit. You can go to customers, transactions, customer tax invoices, add a tax invoice. From options, you can view invoice GP. However, in default settings, this option not allowed. You can go to customers, customer tax invoices, view GP on invoices, costs and sales orders. In your system, this option not checked, you can check, then you can view invoice GP. If you uncheck any module, that user cannot access to that module. Or you can allocate partial access to that module. If you unallocated any access option, that user cannot view that module. We will remove access permission for customers for this user. Save changes. Go to customers. Now this user cannot view customers. and cannot add customers. These features inactivated. And this user cannot enter transactions. All section has inactivated. Again, we will give access option and save.
Now, this user can add customers, view customers, enter customer transactions, and view customer reports. Like that, we can set control user access.